Perfect espresso. Come on. You have to watch it.
Yes!
Stop.
I've been in your waters.
So let's do this. Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. If this is the first time we are meeting, my name is Anna, and today we are out and about in Westage, Alabang. And let me tell you why, because I'm about to attend a basic espresso making class here at South Bank Lounge. And one thing you need to know about me is that I just love good coffee. So I'm about to meet up with my friend. I'm going to take this class with her. So come and help me find her. Let's go.
And then coffee that's made just right. So the difference is, first of all, the crema dissolves a lot faster with your under extracted one, and then it stays solid more in the properly extracted one. And it's the same beans, it's the same machine, it's the same amount of coffee in each, but the taste is very different, significantly different. Like this is like your rich dark espresso thing, and then this is wow. Wow. I can taste the acid, man. This is
First yung portafilter, paano siya tanggalin? So, parang Tinder lang. Swipe. So ang goal natin is 18 grams na coffee. So ilan dapat yung output?
2.2 39.6
40. So pagka-press mo na ito, under na yung time. So watch mo rin yung time.
Oh my god. Are we ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Ah!
Okay,
36. Ba't bumibilis siya ang daya? Not bad.
yeah,
Still a little acidic.
but let's do this.
What do you do first?
I take this out, right? So nervous. 43.
Under extracted.
And under din siya.
Let's see it.
It's my first one. It's under extracted.
But it looks good.
It looks good. That's what's important. No, that's not what's important. So see, you want to take this and that's hot, and then you purge it right away. Okay, that's good practice. And then you chow. Come on.
There, you got it.
Okay, and then so tell me your story. What are your woes in life? Have to make sure that it's 0.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. This one I don't have to. I know, right? Wait. Automatic. I feel like it's not stopping.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Tap tap. Okay. This is where the muscle power comes. Isang madulas pero malakas. Okay, one.
Polish.
Tsaka importante yung stance. Because you need your weight then. One, two. Okay. Here we go. Come on. We're going for 35. Come on. Perfect espresso. Come on. Have to watch it. 30. Yes! Oh!
21!
Yes! Oh my gosh. That is so satisfying. So, do you want to have a look at that? We are looking at the potential perfect espresso. Potential. Because it met all the requirements so far, except for my taste. Let's see. Oh yes. Sarap siya pa. I like it. Ito
So,
yun.
ano ba? Siguro mga 2 to 3 more seconds. Basta na na.
It's so hard.
It's got a butt
No?
crack.
Hello vlog! Okay, well we just finished our training and we had a great time. We're wearing our masks because we're being responsible. Did you have fun?
I had so much fun. It was scary and exciting, but so much fun.
Thank you so much, Cindel. Don't forget to follow her on her Instagram. It's gonna be right there.
Right
so
there.
just follow that link. Goodbye!
Bye!
Sarap niya. Kaya lang I can't share it with you eh. Sorry ah.
It's okay.
We were in
So,
pandemic.